Also, I got 4C hair. If I wet my hair, there goes my curl pattern. No thank you. No ma'am. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the rice water method and whether or not it really grows your hair. I tried this method out for a month and a half, so I thought I would share my results with you guys and talk to you about it. So I'm actually refilming this kind of casually because the background's different. I'm just sitting on the floor, but I filmed this video yesterday and I wanted to refilm it, one, because I think I was scattered and I was all over the place, and two, because as I was going to edit the video and I was looking at my progress pictures and then I was comparing it to the progress, you know, the stretch that I did in the video, I was like, I don't think that what I said in the video was true. I don't think. Basically because in my progress pictures, it was wearing glasses. And in the video yesterday, I was not. So that would affect, because I was pulling over my glasses, that could potentially affect how much my stretch was. So before we jump into that, let's rewind a little bit. If you don't know what the rice water method is, it is using fermented rice to grow your hair, potentially. It's been blowing up lately. A lot of people have said that they use it for their hair. It's not only supposed to support hair growth, but it also is supposed to detangle the hair, make the hair smoother, increase shine, make the hair stronger, and of course, as I said, help your hair grow longer. Lots of people have been doing this. I watched lots of videos before I started to kind of get the general gist on how you should do it, and I saw people either spraying it in their hair every day or people just doing a rinse, letting it sit for like 20 minutes on their wash day and then continuing on. I personally was not going to, I did not do the spray it in your hair every single day because that just doesn't make any sense to me, if we're being quite frank. If we're being quite honest, you should not wet your hair every single day, and you should not be going to sleep on wet hair, which I think would be a possible side effect of you spraying your hair every single day. Also, I got 4C hair. If I wet my hair, there goes my curl pattern. No thank you. No ma'am. Alright, so that's that. That's what the rice water method. So in the video that I originally filmed, I said that my hair grew, and I was pretty damn happy. So my hair is just under my chin. I can fold it under my chin. My hair grew, y'all. My hair. But then I went to look at my progress pictures, and like I said, I was wearing glasses, so I was like, I should probably check again and pull over my glasses again, which I'm gonna do. But I was looking at them and there wasn't a difference in the progress pictures I took. So the first one I took was April 12th, and I'll have it up on the screen. That was before I even started doing the rice water method. I'll include both because I did front stretches and back ones. So that was before I ever started it. And then I took a progress picture on May 4th. And I'll put those two on the screen too. And I was looking at those photos, like really analyzing them, and I'm like, you know, for just under a month, I don't think that that's a lot of growth. And that's when it kind of hit me, like also looking at them, hey, you took those over your glasses, because in the video that I filmed yesterday, I pulled my hair and it went all the way under my chin. And that's why I was freaking out. I was so excited. This went all the way over my chin, but the hair in the back didn't seem to grow that much. So, in terms of being fair, because if I uploaded that video, I would have been lying, I'm going to check my hair again, and we're going to compare it. So, I'm going to take down my scarf and do my flat twist, and we're gonna stretch again and see if it really grew my hair. Alright, I'm back. I look crazy. I know I have way too much gel in my hair because I sprayed it and combed it out last night, and I pretty much just reactivated the gel. My hair's still crunchy. So let's go ahead and check. I have my May 4th pictures pulled up in front of me so I can see, like, ow. Taking it, and we're coming to below the mouth, which is where all my pictures were. And then I'm gonna try the other side. And all these pictures that I took were right before I washed my hair, so they were fully dirty hair. And we're coming to below the mouth, a little closer to the chin this time, but still just below the mouth, unlike yesterday where I pulled it under my chin. And then let's check the back. And this is where we're coming to, which looks pretty identical. Wow, I look crazy. Alright, let me fix my hair and then we'll talk again. I have a couple of theories on why I think that the rice water method did not work for me. I don't want to say that all these people are lying, but I'm just saying in my case, it didn't work for me. So my first theory is that because rice water is just a protein treatment, literally just a DIY protein treatment, it could be that some of the people who are using it are protein deficient, their hair is, and that's why their hair is not growing. So you slap some protein on there, and of course, boom, their hair starts growing. And in my case, I'm not protein deficient, I'm guessing, I don't know, and that's why it didn't really have an effect on me. So my second theory is that it is better to use the everyday spray method, and if so, if that's the case, I'm never gonna find out because I'm not willing to do that to my hair. I'm not willing to spray my hair every single day and make my life harder just to see if this will work, because it would make my life harder to spray my hair every single day, which means I would have to twist it every single day because I would lose curl definition. So my third theory is that maybe I just need to try it for longer, but I'm not very sure about that one. I'm not very strong on that one because everyone else who's putting out these videos are getting results in a very quick time, and I think a month and a half, close to 2 months, should have been more than enough time for me to see some change. That being said, I'm kind of really hurt by seeing pictures that are 2 months apart and not seeing any growth in my hair. That's scary to me. Like, that's really, and it's not even scary, it's just upsetting that my hair did not grow, it seems, at all in a month and a half, close to 2 months. But yeah, alright, that is all that I have for you guys today. If you tried out the rice water method and it was successful for you, then let me know down below in the comments. Talk to me. Maybe I did something wrong. If I did something wrong, then I might try it again. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It didn't work for me. I didn't see any change, and yeah. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to see new videos every week. And until then, spread love, be kind. Bye guys.